This is Lorenzo from Strada, and I'm showing you this 2-bedroom apartment available for sale in Loft Tower East. So to the right from the entrance, we have the guest powder room with separate storage and utility space. Leading on into the living dining area. What is unique about this layout is the fact that they are separated. Really good size 2-bedroom with 2 balconies from the living space. So onto the first balcony, full boulevard views and partial Burj Khalifa view as well. And now onto the second balcony. With similar views once again, looking out towards the IFC and address sky view. This apartment is sold vacant on transfer, with a fully equipped kitchen to the left. Into the first bedroom, built-in wardrobe space to the left. Really good size, with floor-to-ceiling windows, once again overlooking the boulevard and the IFC in the distance. And finally into the master bedroom. Both bedrooms do come en suite, with the master having a walk-in shower and bath. Wardrobe space to the right. And really good size master bedroom with the same views once more. If you would like to view, please contact me on the details provided.